Hey, let's learn 10 beautiful English words about nature. Are you ready? Let's go! Wow, look at this beautiful nature scene. Here is a big green tree standing on the grass. Can you see the blue river? It flows gently through the field. Far away, there are tall mountains with snowy tops. The sky is bright and blue, with soft white clouds. And look, there's the yellow sun shining down. Down below, colorful flowers are blooming everywhere. A cute little bird is flying in the sky. And over here, a pretty orange butterfly is dancing in the air. This is nature, full of color, life, and beauty. Let's learn these words together.
Learn the words.
Tree, tree. Grass, grass.
River, river. Sky, sky.
Cloud, cloud. Sun, sun.
Mountain, mountain. Flower, flower.
Bird, bird. Butterfly, butterfly.
Which one do you like?